Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you all about the newest Knitcrate. So let's get started. So let's start with the fun extra. So this is a stitch marker from Knitcrate, and as you can see it's a little artist painting a skein of yarn. Now Knitcrate also had another fun extra in a previous Knitcrate box, and that was a stitch marker. So I highly recommend you check out knitcrateunboxing, as they have a lot of cute and fun crochet and knitting accessories. And here is just a little bit of information about them. So very cute and very practical. And then with the yarn, this is very pretty and very soft. And if we look at the little card, which again I'm a little disappointed about the postcard versus the little booklet, but I'll have to just get over that because it seems like they're just going to be doing this from now on. But this month's theme is watercolor. Splash vivid tones across the paper and watch them blend and mix. Capture the essence of a flower in a matter of moments with emotion and excitement. This month's crate features happy tones inspired by spring blossoms. And these are the colors that they drew inspiration from. And if you are part of the Knit and Crochet Club like I am, you're going to get 2 skeins of one of those 3 colors. So spray rose, hydrangea, or daffodil. And if you're part of the sock club, you're going to get 1 skein of one of these colors. It's going to be attract, tendril, and clematis, I believe. And you also get coupons for their double down, which is usually a month-long promotion that you can get yarn at a super discounted rate. And then you also have that QR code for the patterns. So this is the color I got in this month's crate, and as I said, it's very soft, and I really like the watercolor effect of the yarn. It's also a chain spun yarn, so let me see if I can bring it up to the camera. So it's that chain spun yarn, and this is Vidalana Lofti DK by Knitcrate, and the color I got was hydrangea. This is 48% Merino Wool, 20% Baby Alpaca, and 32% Organic Pima Cotton. This is a DK weight, and it's 274 yards, 250 meters. It's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. And this is hand washed gently, lay flat to dry. And this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. So again, it's very soft. I really love the color of it, and it's that chain spun yarn. So it's just very pretty. And because it's that Pima cotton, it is very squishy and soft. I can definitely see myself making a garment with this, whether it's a shawl or scarf or a hat. And you could probably even make a blanket with this if you really wanted to as well. So if you are part of the monthly subscription, I would highly take advantage of their deeply discounted prices. You get 50% off at least of your yarn already, and then you get an additional percentage off with your double down code. So definitely take advantage of that, and you can always stock up on some beautiful yarns. Okay, so let's go over to my iPad so I can show you the booklet. So again, the theme is watercolor. And here are some close-ups of that theme again. And here's some information about both of the yarns. So again, you're going to get 2 skeins if you're part of the Knit and Crochet Club, and you're going to get 1 skein if you're part of the sock club. So here's an up close photo of the Vidalana Lofti DK. So you get daffodil, which is a beautiful yellow color, sprig rose, which is kind of a corally pink color, and the color I received, which is the hydrangea, which is that light blue. If you're part of the sock club, you're going to get 1 skein of the Vidalana trellis in one of those 3 colors. Nice, vibrant, and bright colors. And here is a sneak peek at the Knit and Crochet Club patterns as well as the sock club patterns. So you get the knit pattern, which is on the left, which is fingerless gloves, and then it looks like you get a shawl on the right that is a crochet pattern. And then for the sock club, on the left you get a pair of knit socks, and on the right a pair of crochet socks. Here's a close-up of those mittens or mitts. Very, very pretty, and it's in that daffodil color. So if you wanted to know what that yellow color looks like, this is a very good indication. And this is the Daffodils and Sunshine Mitts by Lauren Rad. And I like that they included a little bit of a graphic so you can understand the pattern. And then this is the crochet pattern. Very, very pretty. And this is called the Lofty Garden Stole by Meredith. I'm not going to even pronounce that, but Meredith T of Sweet Pea and Sparrow. And that is in the color hydrangea. So if you want to get an idea of what that looks like, here it is. And here's another close-up. And then for the knitting socks, this is what that pattern looks like. And this is the Impasto Socks by Laura Phelan Designs. And then finally the crochet socks. That is called the In Bloom Ankle Socks by Liz Salazar. And it has a fun little flower around the ankle. And then finally you get a sneak peek at next month's theme. So the month of June, the theme is homestead. So it looks like a lot of farm inspired photos. So I'm excited to see what they come up for the month of June. So overall, I really like the yarn. I think it's soft and squishy. I think it has a lot of potential as far as the different patterns that you can make. Considering its softness, you can definitely make a garment out of this, and you can definitely make this into a blanket if you would like to do that as well. I really like this stitch marker, the fun little extra, as you can always use a stitch marker and you can never have too many of them, especially if they get lost. So I really like that. As always, I do not like the postcard. I would much prefer the booklet, so I have all my patterns together. As far as the patterns go, I actually like the crochet pattern this time. That's stole or that's shawl. I think that's really pretty, and I can definitely see myself making that, especially with this yarn. So that was always a plus. Now I did want to let you guys know that Knitcrate sent out an email not too long ago, and they are unfortunately having to increase their prices. Now I know for a lot of you the current price is a little bit steep for you, which I totally understand, and I'm not trying to sell you anything. So if you do not like Knitcrate and do not want to purchase Knitcrate, you don't have to. But if you would like to continue, or you would like to see what Knitcrate is all about for the first time, I'm just letting you know that starting June 1st, 2022, Knitcrate will be increasing their prices of the monthly kit clubs, and that includes the Knit and Crochet Club, the Sock Club, the Super Fluff Knit and Crochet Club, and the Super Fluff Sock Knit and Crochet Club. And this new pricing will also apply to renewals as of June 1st and new subscriptions as of May 20th. So if you purchase anything from May 20th to this current date and beyond, their prices are going to increase a little bit. And this is just so they can allow everyone to still take advantage of the hand-painted yarns and the premium fiber blends that we've all enjoyed in these monthly knit crates. So just wanted you to be aware of that. If you are interested in Knitcrate and want to learn about their price changes and just kind of check their website and see if this is something that you would be interested in, I do have a link below, and you can always get some money off of your first month's Knitcrate if you so choose. So thank you so much for joining me today on the May Knitcrate and learning about the yarn that comes in this month's Knitcrate. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you just consider Knitcrate and consider just looking around their website and seeing what they're all about. They're a really fun company, and I do enjoy working with them a lot. So now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!